Hello to all my students. It's me Sudhakar. I'm welcoming you all for the last class of this Bills of Exchange chapter. In this particular problem, my dear students, we have a mix of different situations. Four situations are given. For that, we have to pass the journal entry. Another last question, please listen here. This question is asked in CA Foundation 2023 for 5 marks. Journalize the following transactions in the books of whom? In the books of K. Karthik. Fine. Let us have a format. Journal entries in the books of K. Karthik. Shall we start? See there. Karthik acceptance to Basu. Oh, Karthik acceptance to Basu means what? For Karthik, it is a bills payable. 2500 was discharged. Oh, discharge, it is not accepted, it is discharged. Means your BP decreased. When liability decreased, please remember, when liability decreased, it is to be debited. By how? By paying cash payment of 1000. So your cash will decrease, cash is to be credited. And a new bill, oh, new bill is accepted. See, out of 2500, 1000 rupees is paid by cash. What is left out? 1500. A new bill is accepted for the balance. Okay, new BP accepted. For the balance, balance is how much? 1500 plus 50 rupees interest. Oh, along with 1500 is paying 50 also. 1550 is a new BP. This new BP increased. When liability increased, it is to be credited. See, BP decreased debit, liability decreased debit, asset decreased credit, न्यू लायबिलिटी इंक्रीज्ड क्रेडिट. वो बीच में 50 रुपीज इंटरेस्ट आया है ना. इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है इसको? इंटरेस्ट इज एक्सपेंसेस. What the interest is? Interest is expenses. What to do with the expenses? Expenses is to be debited. Now your journal entry will be what? This is your BP, right? I call it as a old BP. Now your journal entry will be old BP account debit, expenses account debit called interest account debit, to cash account, to new BP account. Did you understood? Old BP discharged, old BP account debit, interest account debit as expenses, to cash as a cash decreased credit, payment is made, new BP accepted credit. Now your journal entry will be a point old BP account debit 2500 dash interest account as a expenses debit 50 to cash account 1000 rupees paid to new BP account 1550. I'm combined, I passed combined entry. Some people will pass two separate entries for this, but I combined both, being new BP accepted. Did you one got it? Shall we move on to the B point? See what happened in the B point. Have a careful knowledge, have a careful concentration. Be careful. B. Gupta's acceptance for 4000 which was endorsed by Karthik. See my dear student, when Karthik is endorsing the bill, now this G. Gupta will be the debtor. To whom it is endorsed? Endorsed to Mehta. Was dishonored. Please remember, in the first video I explained, whenever the bill dishonored, the debtor will increased. But here the bill is available with Mehta. When debtor increased, it is to be debited. Bill is available with Mehta because it is endorsed to Mehta. Mehta is a creditor. Creditor also increased when the bills are dishonored. He is to be credited. Please concentrate very well for this point. G. Gupta's acceptance for 4,000 endorsed by Karthik. Who are you? We are Karthik. When Karthik endorsing the bill, who is Gupta? Gupta is our debtor. That Gupta's bill was endorsed to Mehta was dishonored. Always remember, whenever the bills dishonored, debtor increased. Who is debtor? The debtor is Gupta. Gupta is to be debited, Mehta is to be credited. Okay. Along with that what? Along with 20 rupees noting charges. Now what we have to do? We have to take 4,000 plus 20 rupees. Noting charges, remember, always we have to add the noting charges to the bill amount whenever the bill is dishonored. This is a B point, right? Let me write the B point. What entry is? G. Gupta's account debit to M. Mehta's account. How much amount? 4,000 plus 20 as a noting charges, being endorsed bill dishonored. Got it? Okay. Still in the same point. Do we have any other message? Bill is withdrawn against cheque. What do you mean by bill is withdrawn against cheque? It means amount paid to Mehta by cheque. Because the bill is available with whom? The bill is, when bill is endorsed, please remember, when the bill is endorsed, to whom the bill is endorsed? The bill is endorsed to Mehta. That endorsed bill is withdrawn. By how? By making the payment of cheque. To whom the amount is paid? Mehta. For what? For getting back the cheque from Mehta. For that, the second entry in B, you write sub point 1, then you write sub point 2. Mehta's account debit to bank account. How much? 4,000 plus 20, 4,020, being amount paid to Mehta to withdraw the cheque, to withdraw the bill. You can pass like that, being amount paid to Mehta to withdraw the bill. Did you understood? For B point, you will be having two entries. One entry for dishonor, another entry for withdrawing the bill by making the payment of money to Mehta. Please remember the B point. Shall we move on to the C point? See what is there in the C point. D. Dalal retires the bill. Oh, it goes to the first class of the problem. Retires. Retires means early payment. 2,000 rupees. Drawn on him by Karthik. Oh, this bill is drawn by whom? Karthik. Who is Karthik? Karthik is a drawer. Dalal is a drawee. At a discount of 10 rupees. This discount is nothing but a rebate. What do you mean by this retirement of a bill? Retirement of a bill means cash received. How much? 1,990. Discount or rebate is how much? 10 rupees. This is received for what? For retirement of a bill. When you received for retirement of a bill, your bills receivable decreased, it is to be credited. Did you understood? You received what? Cash. Cash is to be debited, rebate is to be debited, this BR decreased, BR is to be credited. That is called retirement of a bill. That is being explained so nicely, very clearly in the first few classes of your bills of exchange chapter. Now we are in the C point, that is cash account debit 1990 dash, we can call it discount, or rebate account debit 110 rupees to what? Bills receivable account 2000, being bill retired by whom? The lol. Who retired the bill? The lol retired the bill. Fine. Shall we move on to the last point of the problem of this chapter also? Karthik acceptance to Patel. What do you mean by Karthik acceptance to Patel? Karthik acceptance to Patel means it is bills payable. Was discharged. Oh, discharged. By what? Mody's acceptance to Karthik. Mody's acceptance to Karthik means it is BR for Karthik. Please remember. So easy, silly concept, but having a lot of logics. Here, Karthik acceptance means, my dear student, it is a BP for Karthik. Was discharged by how? Mody's acceptance for Karthik. Mody accepted means what? It is a BR for Karthik. Karthik, because you are doing answer for whom? You are doing answer not for Patel. You are doing answer not for Mody. You are doing answer only for Karthik. Karthik acceptance means for Karthik it is a BP, was discharged. When you discharged the BP, your BP comes down, your liability comes down. When your liability comes down, it is to be debited. Discharged by how? Mody's acceptance means BR. Your BR also decreased, your asset decreased is to be credited. Very simple answer is BP account debit to BR account. Please remember, Karthik acceptance to Patel discharged by Mody's acceptance to Karthik. Karthik acceptance is a BP. It is discharged, BP decreased, is being settled, being discharged by what? Mody's acceptance, that is BR for Karthik. So just what you did, you discharged BP through BR. BP decreased, debit, BR decreased, credit, because one is an asset, another is a liability. Let us write the last entry, BP account debit to BR account. How much it is? 5,000. Being BP discharged by BR. I hope you got it right, my dear students. That's all right. We have to pass the journal entries in the books of whom? In the books of K. Karthik, we have to pass the entry. So this completes your bills of exchange. Let us move on to the next class, next video, next lecture on the chapter 7, that is final accounts of sole proprietor. All the best, my dear students. Take care. Bye-bye.